About to rage quit because your PS5 is doing the Leaning Tower of Pisa impression? Don't worry, I'm here to save your sanity and your console. Let's get that stand properly attached for horizontal stability. First things first, unbox your PlayStation 5 and locate the stand that came with it. This little guy is crucial for keeping your console stable in the horizontal position. Now, lay your PS5 down on a soft, flat surface to avoid any scratches. Locate the screw hole on the side of the console. It's usually near the back and has a small PlayStation symbol etched around it. Take the stand and rotate it so that the hook-like clips are facing upwards. These clips are going to grip onto the console and keep it secure. Align the stand with the screw hole, ensuring the clips are positioned to grip the edge of the console. Gently but firmly push the stand onto the console until you hear a click. This indicates that the clips have properly engaged and the stand is securely attached. And there you have it. Your PS5 is now happily resting in the horizontal position, safe and sound. No more wobbling, no more scratches, just pure gaming bliss.